Now practice now question number 3. If x and y are connected by a equation 3x plus y is equals to 1, some value of x and the corresponding value of y are given in the table, this table. So find the value of p. If some point lies on a straight line, the coordinates of these points should satisfy the equation, this equation. So suppose if the point 0 and 1, 0 and 0 comma 1 lies in the straight line whose equation is this 3x plus y, I'm going to put these values in this equation number A and see 3x is 0 plus y is equals to I have to put the value of y as well. Okay, y is 1. Then 3 multiplied by 0 is 0 and 1 is equals to 1. So if the point lies on the straight line whose equation is known, then its LHS will be equal to its right HS, means left hand side is equals to, will be equal to right hand side. This is the common understanding. So now let's get back to our question. If this point -2 and p lies in our equation, our giving equation, then this point must satisfy the equation, coordinates of these points. So let's put these points in our equation A and see if we can get the value of p. So 3 and the value of x is -2 plus y is p and this is 1. So all the values are known except p. -6 plus p is equals to 1, which means p is equals to -7. Alright, part B. On a sheet of graph paper, using a scale of 4 cm to represent 1 unit on x-axis and 1 cm to represent 1 unit on y-axis, and draw a graph of a equation 3x plus y is equals to 1 for the value of x which is greater than and equal to -2 and less than and equal to 2. So first let's solve this part, the first part of this question, that is a 4 cm to represent 1 unit. First of all, I'm going to decide how many boxes will make 1 unit. So I have already written over here 5 boxes will make 1 unit. Now if 5 boxes will make 1 unit, then after counting 5 boxes, 1 2 3 4 5, I have written 4. All right, here 4 centimeters. So it's on x-axis, right? Now on y-axis, similarly 5 boxes make 1 unit. So in y boxes, on y-axis 5 boxes will make 1 centimeter, like this. All right, now what is the meaning of this? We have to draw a graph of this equation for the value of -2 x for the value of x which is greater than and equal to -2 and less than and equal to 2. So what you have to do is just you have to plot a graph between -2 and 2. Don't think too much about this, just write it down like this. Okay, so I am going to plot a line between -2 and 2. So if 5 boxes make 4 centimeter, how many boxes will make 2 centimeter? Yes, half of it. So 2.5 boxes will make 2 centimeter. -2 and 2. And how am I going to draw the line 3x plus y? Yeah, from the part 1 I have calculated 1 point which is p is equal to 7, and I know that there are 3 points on this line. So simple, I'm going to plot these points, or maybe 2 points only, and draw a line. So I'm going to take 2 easy points from this table. First I'm going to plot 0 and 1, which is very easy. So 0 and 1, 0 on x-axis and 1 on y-axis. So 0 and 1 is going to be here. I'm going to take 2 and -5 now, because I think it's a bit easy to plot. So where will this be? It's going to be somewhat, okay, now 2 and -5. This is our 2 and -5. This is more visible now. Just a minute again. Okay, so this is 2, this point is 2 and minus 5. Alright, now we have got 2 points. We can plot the third point as well, but I am just directly going to make a line that represents our equation. So this is going to be our line that represents the equation, and its equation is 3x plus y is equals to 1. Let's get to point question number C. The point minus 1 comma q lies on the graph. Find the value of q. So it says that this point minus 1 comma q also lies on the line A, and we have to find out the value of q. It's very simple. Now what we have to do is we have to see where minus 1 is located, and I am going to find out where could our minus 1 point is located. So it's minus 2 here, this is minus 2 here, minus 1 is going to be halfway of minus 2. So this is our minus 1. Okay, all I'm going to do is I am going to draw a line towards our line A. So okay, now so this is going to be the point which has been mentioned in question C. Now we know that its x coordinate is minus 1, and where will its y coordinate be? We can see that its y coordinate is somewhat in between 2 and 3. It could be 2.5. Now I can say that this point whose x coordinate is minus 1, its y coordinate is 2.5. Alright, this is, so the value of q is 2.5. Now part D, number 1. On the same axis in B, draw the graph of y is equals to minus 0.5. So as we can see that y, we have to draw a line whose equation is y is equals to minus 0.5. As we can see that this equation is similar to what equation that we have discussed before? Yes, equation of horizontal line, which is y is equals to c, where c is y-intercept. That means the point at which the line cuts the y-axis. Now after comparing these two equations, we can say that c is equals to minus 0.5. So our required line is going to cut the y-axis at minus 0.5. Now where this now let's see where is this minus 0.5 on y-axis. So as we have established this before, that 5 boxes will make 1 unit. So where will be 0.5 and 1 unit, yes, the 1 unit is equals to 1 centimeter. So where this minus 0.5 will be? Yes, it will be half. It will be on the halfway to 1 centimeter. It's somewhat here, 2.5 boxes. Now this is our 0.5 minus 0.5. Our required line is going to cut the y-axis at this point, right? Let's go. And this line is going to be horizontal line. So this is our required line whose equation is y is equals to minus 0.5. Now let's get to the second part of the same question. State the x coordinate of the point on the graph of line 3x plus y is equals to 1, which is line A, and whose y coordinate is minus 0.5. So we have already established where our minus 0.5 is here, and all I have to see that a point whose y coordinate is minus 0.5, where could that be? Simple, I'm going to cut the line A here. So this is the point whose y coordinate is 0.5, and its x coordinate is going to be this one. It's going to be 1. in data.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more updates.